My teacher recently contacted me asking if I could repair his heated toilet seat. There's nothing worse than an ice-cold toilet seat at 3 a.m. in the morning. But have no fear, the Hiney heater is here. I started out by using the toilet seat my teacher gave me, and I used the notch that went through the whole thing as a spot for cable management. If you don't have that notch, you can always just take a drill or a router and create it yourself. Now for the heating element, I just took this USB to 3 heating pad adapter so that I can have one heating pad on each side and then one in the front. And then I routed the cables to that middle part that I notched out. And then I bought this Loctite tight foam so that I could fill that gap in between the like 2 sides of the toilet seat. And as you can see, there's a ton on here, but I'm just going to take a knife and cut it off so that it's level with the toilet seat. Now that the foam is dried, you are going to take a knife or a saw and cut all the excess foam off so that it's level with the toilet seat. As you can see, I've done that here, and you can just throw all this foam away. Then you're going to take the little toilet seat standoffs that bring the toilet seat up off the toilet. You're going to glue those back on in the 4 spots that they were originally at. Now that the glue is dried, you're going to take some spray paint and spray the toilet seat so that all the black areas are now white. Then you're going to put a gloss on it so none of the paint comes off. Now for mounting the toilet seat, it is as simple as just replacing a normal toilet seat. You just unscrew the past one and then put this new one on. But of course this one isn't compatible with the toilet seat I have right here. It is rounder and the hinge is built differently, but normally it would be like a normal toilet seat. Then for the power, I have the wire wrapping around there. And then coming back over here where I have the switch. And then I have the battery pack down there. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more content just like this, like and subscribe.